Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss objective part of CSS International Relations paper of the year 1987. So let's start. Question 1 is, the G7 summit, also known as the Venice 2, took place in Venice from June 8 to June 10, 1987, agreed to take coordinated action to address global economic challenges. Operation Eagle was a 1971 mission by RA during the Bangladesh Liberation War against Pakistan. The Palestinian territories are the two regions of the former British Mandate for Palestine that have been occupied by Israel since the Six-Day War of 1967. The contemporary international system is characterized by the existence of multiple centers of power. The Charter of the Arab League, also known as the League of Arab States, was signed on March 22, 1945 by Egypt, Iraq, Jordan, Lebanon, North Yemen, Saudi Arabia, Syria, and Transjordan. The Tashkent Declaration was a peace agreement signed between India and Pakistan on 10th January 1966 to resolve the Indo-Pakistan War of 1965. When states refer a case to the International Court of Arbitration, they typically choose the judges of their own choice. The Security Council of the United Nations establishes subsidiary organs as it deems necessary to perform its functions. The United States was a member of C2, which stands for Southeast Asia Treaty Organization. The RIU Pact, also known as the Inter-American Treaty of Reciprocal Assistance, was signed in September 1947 and was established for collective security among American nations. The Cuban Missile Crisis of 1962 led to the Partial Test Ban Treaty, formerly known as the 1963 Treaty banning nuclear weapon tests in the atmosphere, in outer space, and underwater. Countries in order of rapid population growth: Uganda, Togo, Kenya, Syria, and Zambia. In the context of Palestinian politics, the term Intifada is specially used to refer to two major Palestinian uprisings against Israeli occupation of the West Bank and Gaza Strip. The Balfour Declaration was a public statement issued by the British government in 1917 through which Britain announced its support for the establishment of a national home for the Jewish people in Palestine. The current row between the US and Iran is primarily centered around Iran's nuclear program. The Indo-China War, also known as the Sino-Indian War or the China-India War, took place from October 20 to November 1962. Ho Chi Minh was a Danish communist, revolutionary, nationalist, and politician. Vietnamese. The Cuban Missile Crisis was a 13-day confrontation from October 16 to October 28, 1962 between the United States and Soviet Union. New International Economic Order was the demand of the Global South to restructure the international economic system. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.